Welcome to Dr. Bob's Email Clinic, Outlook tips to make your email better. We'll see how to stop important emails disappearing in your inbox. So if they're from your boss or a valued client, they'll be obvious and you won't lose track of them. Keep watching and discover how to color emails in your inbox with Outlook for Windows on versions running from 2010 to 2019 and maybe beyond. We'll cover 4 things in 4 minutes. 1. Why to color emails. 2. How to color emails in Outlook. 3. How many colors you should use. And we'll finish with a completely unrelated joke. So 1. Why to color emails. Let's say you have a reasonable amount of email traffic, a lot of which is not that important, but some is critical. There's always the danger that the critical ones can be lost in all the others, especially if the sender hasn't used a great subject line. Now you can make certain emails stand out. For example, if they are from your boss or a valued client, related to a particular project. Or maybe you want to distinguish between emails that are internal or external to your organization. You can color code your inbox to show these and many other criteria. 2. How to color emails in Outlook. We're going to set up a condition, and if that condition is met, we'll display those emails in a different font or color. We save the condition and the colorful font as a rule. On the main menu, choose the View tab, then click on View Settings. On the new window that pops up, choose Conditional Formatting and we'll add a new rule. Give it a title. In our case, we're calling it Top Client. Specify the font. We're choosing Showcard Gothic in Fuchsia to be horribly obvious. Now specify the condition. We're saying anything from Jack Reacher. Close all the windows. OK, and we see Top Client Jack Reacher is now a little more unmissable. There are loads of other ways to make a selection. For instance, if your email has a particular word in the subject or body, like green, or if I want to distinguish between internal and external emails, I can add a rule I'll call external, click condition, and choose the Advanced tab. Under Field, select Frequently Used Fields, and then From. The condition does not contain expertmessaging.com. You obviously use the name of your own organization. I click Add to the list, then OK. Finally, I format it and make the size bigger and purple. So now everything that is not from expertmessaging.com is more outstanding. Conditions you specify can be really precise. We don't have time to go through all of them now, so have a look through in your lunch break. If you get stuck, pop me an email to drbob@expert-messaging.com and I'll do what I can to help. 3. How many colors should you use? There are no hard and fast rules here, but I suggest having no more than 2 or 3 extra formats. Otherwise you can end up with a wonderfully colorful inbox which can be very confusing. But try a couple and see how you go. A man goes into a library, goes up to the librarian and says, I'd like fish and chips, please. The librarian says, but this is a library. And the man says, oh, sorry, I'd like fish and chips, please. If there are other topics you'd like, email dr.bob@expert-messaging.com. And please share this with your friends and colleagues. You'll make their lives a bit better, spread the revolution, and help us make the world better one email at a time. Thanks for watching.